Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. Let us look at how many calories we can burn with 500 jumps. I'll be using a normal PVC jump rope for this. The measurements would be done by my fitness tracker or fitness band. I'll share the output once we finish the jumps. But before we start the jump, I hope all of you know that calorie burn is something very personal with that particular individual. It changes from case to case. It has a lot of dependency on factors like age, fitness level, cardiovascular strength, etc. So numbers may change from person to person. So what I would suggest is do share your experience in terms of what is the calorie burn you have when you go for a 500 jump session, just for my personal understanding and knowledge. So shall we start? I'll start the jump rope workout on my fitness band. 3, 2, 1, go. That was, I think, 280. Yep, 280 jumps. Another 220 to go. $280, right? Let's go. As per my count, we are, oh yes, perfect. It shows 500. Let me stop the workout. It's asking measure recovery heart rate. Yes. So I'll need to keep still for some time for the recovery heart rate to be measured. After this scene, I will shift to the output I get from my fitness band, which will go to my phone. I'll share it on the screen and I'll talk you through the output.
There you see it, 501 jumps. That took us 4 minutes and 5 seconds, and we burned 45 calories. Other information we can see is that our average speed was 122 jumps per minute. We took one break and our average heart rate was 136 beats per minute. We can also see the different heart rate zones we hit. And in terms of recovery, my heart rate dropped by 22 beats in the 2 minutes post the workout. And finally, our average and fastest jump speed is presented here. Overall, a comprehensive analysis of our jumps. We can extrapolate this to get a sense of how many calories we can burn with 1,000 or 10,000 or any other jump count.
Thank you very much for watching the video. Do leave your question, comments, feedback. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to them. Till I see you in the next video, enjoy your jumps. Take care. Bye-bye.